Hey guys, so we have here our JBL Clip5, and for this portable Bluetooth speaker there's already a new firmware update available. So in this video we want to explain to you how to quickly install it on your own speaker. Yeah, so of course first we have to make sure the speaker is turned on and also connected here to our smartphone. This can either be our iPhone or any Android phone. And we're going to see here the LED on the top of the speaker is right now constantly lit up in white, and we make sure we have the JBL portable app here installed on our smartphone. So this is available for Android as well as iPhone. It's going to connect here to our Clip5. We can see this here. It's going to show us the current battery percentage in just a few seconds. And then it's going to check for the new updates, and you're going to see this notification eventually here right underneath the speaker. Your software update is available. And in order to install this update, we should either have at least 50% of battery charge left here on the speaker, or we just have it connected at the moment with the charging cable to our charger. Okay, so then let's go down here in the list. We see here product information. I'm going to click on that, and here also we see here software. Current firmware is installed 2.8.0, and then here it says again new version is available, and we see here the new version is 3.1.0. It gives some connectivity updates for Box Club 120 and the Stage 320, and also performance improvements. So then we're just going to click on update here, and then we see here the LED now on the speaker is going to start blinking in white. This indicates that we're right now transferring the data to the speaker. So this is going to take about 2 minutes. So just the transfer of the data is going to take 2 minutes. Of course, we're not going to show the entire 2 minutes here. We're going to fast forward this. And also, while we are going through this transfer process or the entire update process, we're not going to exit here the JBL portable app, just to make sure that there's no interruptions and nothing going wrong during the update. So stay on the screen here, just wait it out. It only takes a couple of minutes, like less than 3 minutes total. Okay, so then you just heard it, the speaker seems to be shutting down, but this is actually right now really updating the firmware now in the background. So don't touch the speaker, just let it do its thing. It's going to be just a couple of seconds and it's going to start up again. And then soon after it will reconnect to our smartphone and of course also to the JBL portable app. And at that point we're going to get a little bit of more information here. Eventually it's going to give us the indication that the update was successful, and now the speaker is ready to be used. So we can just press here let's play, and then we double check here the software version now is 3.1.0, and it tells us there's no more updates available. So we have completed this mission here, and yeah, that was already it for the video. Hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.